that is a good fish. Looky there.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Broken Crow Outdoors. Where we're going to hit it one more time. We're headed back up north of Broken Bow Lake. The sand bass run has been super fragmented. We've had some issues. We had some rain, had a wicked cold front that pushed them off. We got into them last weekend a little bit, but not near what it should be. Like I say, we're going to give it one more go. It's going to be a lot of fun. Y'all come on.
Sucker's pulling. Good deal. Thanks, buddy. Oh, there's a fish number 2. Man, come on now. Sorry about that. You shouldn't have spit it out. He hit it. He knocked the fire out of it, and then I thought he was gone, and felt him on again. So beautiful sand bass. It's been slow. We had a heck of a cold front come through. It was 33 in the truck this morning. I had ice on the windshield. You know, went from one day we were almost 80 degrees to that. So thanks for playing anyway. Awesome. There you go, buddy. Thank you. We marked fish on the depth finder, ran through them and managed to catch one. Oh, stay on there, buddy. Sand bass, I would imagine. What he's acting like anyway. Oh yeah. Sand bass. Atta baby. Come here now. That away. Good deal. Little nail. Thanks, partner. See ya. Might have to do that again. Might have to go run that little stretch again. Okay, let's put on another rattle trap and see if that's the ticket. I think we are on to something right here. We gotta mark a bunch of fish, and that's a second one pretty quick, so I think we're gonna stay in this little area for a bit. That's a good one there. Golly, they just fight so hard. Atta baby, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh, come here now. Yes, sir. It's a little closer to what it's supposed to be. I know you can't just slam them every time you come out, but it sure is nice to come out and catch a bunch of fish, especially sand bass. There, it's hard to beat these hard fighting suckers. Atta baby. Thanks, bud. Yep, let's go troll through them again. They're liking the troll. Not catching many on cast. I caught one casting earlier, and the rest of them have come trolling. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Look at the fish, man. You see them? The fish, there's structure there, and then that arc is what marks your fish. And we're marking a bunch of fish in that little stretch right there. See, as soon as I got off of that bank, I'm not marking anything. So I'm thinking they're on that bank at just the right depth. So let's keep on keeping on. Fish on. Fish on, baby. He hit it like a ton of bricks, man. I say it's big every time I say, oh, that's a big one. Because they just pull so dang hard. See, it's another little male, but man, they pull. Had a baby. Come here, buddy. Whoa. Man, it's turned into a pretty good day. It's not a banger, but managed to scrape up quite a few. Thanks, man. Oh yeah. I didn't mark any fish on that one. He must have snuck up on us. We'll take it though. We don't have to mark them to catch them. But when you mark them, then you catch them, that means you really know what you're doing. I don't know if I've caught a female. I thought I caught a female earlier, but it was about the same size as these males I've been catching. So I don't know if I'm not 100% sure I've caught a female. But this cold front definitely has them pushed out of what they were doing before. Last weekend we were at 60 degrees. Today we're at 54.6. So it was a significant little cold front. It got cold for a couple of days, but today's gorgeous and it's supposed to be a high of 65. So there's a good wad of fish. Oh, he came off, man. Oh, he didn't? Man, I thought you came off. You just gave up. Well, first little bass of the day. He hit and then didn't feel anything else. Sorry about that. See ya. Alright. Good. Oh, it's a bass. I thought you were a crappie, but you were not a crappie. Oh, little guy, but he'll do. Thanks, man. All right, now we are looking for crappie, marking crappie on the outside of this tree line. That, however, was a little bass. Let's see what we got. I think that's a structure. Yeah, that's that tree right there. Let's whip around and see what we can, see if there's anything over there. Big crappie. Big crappie. Hey! Big crappie, baby. Golly! Big one. Had a baby. That's what I'm talking about. Good one. That is a good fish. Looky there. Big old sucker. Look at it. Man. Thank you, thank you.
Thanks everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
You're gonna drop on my grappies. You're gonna drop on my grappies. You're gonna drop on my grappies. You're gonna drop on my grappies.